How to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then subscribe to Amazon Prime, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the browser over here. Once you launch your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, I'll make sure to drop a link below, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Once you're here, make sure to log in to your free Amazon account, and after you've done that, you'll find the Prime option or start your free trial option. Depending upon whatever you see, just tap on those. Now simply select a payment method, whether you'd like to add a credit or debit card, or whether your Venmo account, whatever else it is that you have, and then just make sure to tap the continue option. After you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically able to successfully subscribe to Amazon Prime. This way you'll be able to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.